guys think they've stopped growing, but you're probably shorter than you should be because of compression, hormones, and posture. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you 5 habits that can fix your height. By the end of this video, you're gonna be recovering inches instantly and even trigger a second growth spurt if your growth plates are still open. First, you need to understand you're probably shorter than you should be. Most guys think that their final height is locked in by their parents' genes. But here's the truth. You're probably shorter than you should be. And this is scientifically proven by something called secular trends in growth. In fact, up to 40% of your height is lifestyle driven. And you ignoring this section could cost you 2 inches or more of what your final height will be. Let me give you some real world examples. In the early 1900s, the average British man was just 5'6", but in the 2000s, after better food, better healthcare, better living conditions, that number rose to an average of 5'10". That is a 4-inch national growth spurt without changing genetics. In 1956, children of the Seychelles tribe in Africa grew 1.62 centimeters per decade between 1956 and 1998, and then grew another 1.14 centimeters per decade between 1998 and 2005, growing a total of over 11 centimeters or around 4.3 inches. What changed? It wasn't genetics. The studies prove that that does not explain such rapid growth and height. It was nutrition, sleep, posture, movement, and hormones, which just means for you, you're not done growing if your growth plates are open. Your height potential, it's not fixed at birth. It's unlocked gradually based on what you do daily. And if your growth plates are still open, you can absolutely trigger a second growth spurt. And by the way, even if they're closed, I'm still gonna help you reclaim anywhere between 2 and 4 inches of extra height that you have compressed by just giving you the right habits with what I call the height recovery pyramid. Let's start with the foundation of the pyramid and habit number 1, the sleep hack that will make you taller overnight. Sleeping with the pillow in between your legs every night for 2 months will make you taller. First, I want you to grab a pencil, stand by your door frame, and mark your initial starting height. Then, when you go to sleep, I want you to turn on your side and then stick a thick pillow in between your legs. This will keep your hips aligned and your spine neutral, reducing any torsion and overnight compression. Through that spine decompressing and your disc rehydrating, you're gonna wake up between 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches taller, clinically proven. Now, this is just your first unlock, and this will continue to decompress throughout the day, so it's not enough. Especially if you sit all day at school or work, you're just gonna recompress your spine immediately, which is why you need the second habit, the 4-part spine reset that instantly makes you taller. If you're too worried that you're gonna stay short forever, you need to first focus on reducing the daily compression on your spine. In a 2024 clinical study, older adults recovered up to 6 centimeters in height, or around 2.4 inches instantly with this 10-minute protocol. The researchers had the participants perform 4 specific posture-focused movements, which you see on screen now. So what I did is that I made an exact daily posture stretch routine that you can do from your desk at school or at work, using the exact same muscle groups and spine mechanics that the study used to instantly boost your height. The first one was hip rotation. So I want you to do a seated hip rotation. You're gonna sit tall in your chair with your feet flat. Then you're gonna slowly rotate your knees side to side. You want to keep your hips level. You're gonna feel your core and your lower back gently engage. I want you to do 20 reps or 10 reps on each side. Now, these movements are made so they wake up your posture muscles, but they're gonna quickly fall back into bad posture within minutes. This is why I wear my power tee from Form Science almost daily to train my body to stay in that correct posture. It looks like a premium athletic t-shirt, you would never know, but it is engineered with patented posture panels that gently cue your spine back into alignment. It's honestly the coolest thing I've ever worn. It feels like I'm wearing a superhero shirt. Regular t-shirts, it's just cloth. This is literally wearable biomechanics. I'm telling you, you'll feel like a superhero in this thing. The second exercise is hip elevation and decompression. So I want you to do chair bridges. You're gonna sit at the edge of your chair and put your arms on the hand rests. I want you to then push your hips forward and squeeze your glutes like a seated bridge. I want you to hold at the top for 5 seconds, then relax and repeat 10 times. Bro, after the second one, you're gonna immediately feel your spine start to lift. But if you stop here and you go back to your desk, that slouch will start to creep in again. This is why I wear my power tee from Form Science, correcting your posture without you even having to think about it. This is literally designed for those long desk sessions, whether you're at school or at work. It helps you hold your shoulders back and it reduces your fatigue hour by hour, so you stop collapsing back into that bad posture. The third exercise is spine elevation and decompression. So I want you to do a seated cat-cow. I want you to put your hands on your knees. I want you to arc your back and look up as you inhale. Then I want you to round your spine and put your chin towards your chest as you exhale. I want you to do this slow and controlled for 20 reps. This resets the curvature of your spine, which is the exact part that the Form t-shirt's inner lining is engineered to support. Those patented panels on the top of the shirt physically cue your upper back into ideal posture. It trains better posture over time. Think of this t-shirt like a coach that basically snaps you or keeps you upright all day and you don't even think about it. Now, the fourth exercise is hip flexion. So I want you to do seated knee lifts. I want you to sit up straight and lift one knee up and then the other, almost like you're marching in place or while seated. I want you to do 10 reps per side. I'm telling you, once you finish this sequence, you're gonna feel and look taller because you're gonna get the same results that this study received, since the exercises are formatted based on the study, triggering the same muscle groups. And if you lock in this posture with a great t-shirt from Form, I'm telling you, you're gonna be sitting taller all the time and you're not even gonna have to think about it. These are the greatest thing I've ever tried, and honestly, I've never seen a brand do something like this. I want you to try this out for yourself. Once you put on a posture correcting t-shirt from Form, you're gonna be amazed at just how attractive and how tall you look once you adopt good posture all day long. If you guys wanna check it out, I'm going to have it linked down below. There's also gonna be a special discount. It's gonna make it an absolute steal for you guys. Now let's move on to the second layer of the height growth pyramid, which is the activation. Habit number 3. These are the nutrients that stop height loss. These are food height boosting hacks that no one ever talks to you about. For example, zinc deficiency can literally shut off growth hormone and keep you short. But that's just one of 3 nutrients that most guys are missing in their diets that's killing their height potential. If your body doesn't have these 3 nutrients or is deficient in them, all the sleep and working out in the world is not gonna help your height. That's because these 3 nutrients, one is the growth gatekeeper, the second is the growth activator, and the third is the last one and the most essential for your growth, the growth multiplier. Let's start with the first nutrient, which is zinc, the growth gatekeeper. Your brain makes a special hormone called growth hormone. Growth hormone tells your bones and your muscles to grow, but growth hormone can't even leave the brain or do its job without zinc. This is why zinc is the gatekeeper of growth and why you should take around 11 milligrams of zinc daily or around 100 grams of pumpkin seeds. The second is the growth activator, which is vitamin A or retinol. Your body grows by building new cells, new bone cells and new tissue cells, which give you new height. But that process cannot even begin unless you have enough vitamin A. It activates the code inside your cells to build, repair, and grow. So no vitamin A means no cell activation, which means no growth. So you want to take around 10,000 micrograms of vitamin A daily or 100 grams of butter. And the third nutrient is the growth multiplier, the most important one, which is protein. Imagine your bones like a building, and every day your body is trying to make the building taller. Well, protein, that's like the bricks, and without the bricks, you can't add new floors to your building. Even if you have all the tools, vitamin A, zinc, and growth hormone, if you don't give your body enough bricks, which is protein, you can't build any taller. So aim to eat around 4 to 5 eggs daily. Habit number 4, gain an instant inch with the Pilates pose. You need to stop standing with your feet pointed forward. Instead, use the Pilates pose to instantly grow 1 inch. Your spine is not the only thing that's stealing your height. Your stance and how you hold your hips, your feet, and your shoulders is what's cutting about 1 inch of your visible height. The Pilates stance fixes this. In a 2022 study, 53 participants reported a height increase using this Pilates pose. First, I want you to stand tall with your feet hip width apart. Second, I want you to rotate your heels inward slightly where your toes point out around 15 degrees. And third, I want you to engage your glutes and push your hips slightly forward. Finally, I want you to breathe in into your ribs. This stance will stack your spine directly over your pelvis and eliminate that interior pelvic tilt, which often collapses your height. But even with this perfect posture, even with the perfect stretch routine, even with everything I've taught you, none of this will hold. None of this will make you grow if you do not optimize the final layer in the height recovery pyramid, which is optimization, which takes us to habit number 5 and the most important one, the hormone multiplier. If you truly want to grow taller, you need to understand these 3 hormones in your body and how they work together. Your body has 3 messengers that decide how tall it wants to get. Imagine your body like a building team, and these are the 3 workers that work together to make you taller. When they all show up together, your body builds strong bones that get tall. When one stays home, the building process starts to slow down. Let's start with the first one, growth hormone, which is the builder. He works best at night when you're deep asleep. If you skip your sleep or you eat all night, he's gonna fall asleep too. But if you rest well or you take some breaks from food like fasting, he wakes up and he works fast, building as you're sleeping. The second worker is testosterone plus IGF-1. Think of this like the boss and the helper. The boss, which is testosterone, it tells everyone, yo, it's time to grow. But he needs good food like eggs, meat, milk to stay strong and dominant. IGF-1 will listen to the boss and brings in those new building pieces, which are your cells, and brings them directly to your bone. When you sleep enough and you eat those foods, both the boss and the helper work all night, keeping your bones and spine ready to stretch. And then you have the third helper. This is the troublemaker, cortisol. He is the noisy neighbor that keeps the builders awake all night. When you worry too much or you sleep badly, he yells at everyone and everyone stops working. But if you calm down, you take slow breaths before bed, or you splash cold water in the mornings, he goes quiet and the builders can get back to work. If you sleep well, eat right, stay calm, and you move a little bit more, the 3 workers you need can work all night long. That is how your body stays tall, strong, and ready to grow. And if you understand this, plus everything I've taught you in this video, not only have you gained an extra 2 to 4 inches in height immediately, you can easily activate a second growth spurt.